Okay, we got rap sessions, Juan, Greg, J-Rod, Brandon, and Ty. Here we go. It's also the rap session, so you better have it together. Hey.
Make it rain.
Yo, Major J.
My haters, go and make it rain.
I'ma make it rain, go and bring the pain. It's your boy Kaweezy, baby, you all know the name. Up in the sky, hands on my head. Nigga, I'm so cold, nigga, they call the feds, cause I'm trying to rip it up, I'm trying to do what I wanna. Got these polos on my feet, nigga, I'm a goner. Yeah, I'm a sona. Yeah, I'm just fly though, I'm coming through a nigga, and you know I'm so fly though. I have to be, I lay it down, nigga, you know I hold it down. I'm coming through for the old town, at the zone, you know I'm bound. I take that, you know I'm up on past that. It's your boy Kaweezy, now go ahead and snatch that.
Okay, we get it, like soccer, we just kick it. Yes, I got the flu, me and my crew, we are the sickest. I'm off in the kitchen, want your office write some dishes. Call a genie, I grant you all your wishes. Don't get no permission, sit down like we in detention. So yeah, I like that, so don't leave me pissing. I be like, hell yeah, I'm going crazy institution. I don't know what to do, like Usher, it's seducing. I get up on the beat and work it out like producing. I don't know what to do, but my nigga right here gon' lose it.
Hey, it's Greg.
Your boys gon' lose
J-Rod.
Like my keys in the couch, I thought I lost it. Lost it like my mind gone, headless horse and flow. And yes, you know me, my pocket's full of that dough. Yeah, hoes wanna hold me, but I ain't no bag. But yes, you take me in my bed and start to bed. Yeah, make it rain.
Brandon, you got something?
Yeah, let's put the camera broke up.
Yeah.
All right, Ty.
Right.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yo, my bro said if they gon' flow, but guess what? I'm gon' throw. Everything up in my pocket, surely it's that dough. Pocket take off and my lyrics go fast. Every girl be in the club, be like, I can get this. Listen to me, y'all ain't even in the movement. We just finished making music.
Yeah.
All right,
With the messed up hands. Let's go.
Cool.
Let's go. Cameron, you got something?
I'm off the jet, fresh and so clean. If you know I be like a deep bread, you can eat me. Like the car like king, man. If you know, don't come over here, baby. So I'm making plans, making that cash.
Okay.
If you know I got man, if you know I got pain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got jewelry on my fingers, I'll hit you with one. If you know, we don't have to put Brandon one. You know, he ain't nothing downstairs from my tippy toes. Looks like I eat free toes.
Okay, come on, Brandon. You gotta drop something down for the video.
You gotta go.
Make it.
Say your name. Say what's up. Let's go, Brandon.
Just say watermelon.
Oh.